In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and add a theme to your Shopify store. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or looking to refresh its look, selecting the right theme is crucial in delivering the kind of experience that aligns with your brand and appeals to your customers. Let's dive right in. Starting from your Shopify homepage, you want to navigate to the left part of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Online Store. Clicking on this option will direct you to a new section dedicated to themes. Shopify offers this handy way to organize and manage everything related to the look and feel of your store. Once you're in the Themes section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll manage your current themes and also explore new possibilities. Now, direct your attention towards a button that reads Add Theme. You can find this button within the theme library. By clicking Add Theme, a world of customization opens up for your store. Clicking this button provides you with three intriguing options. The first option is to visit Shopify's theme store. This store is a treasure trove of both free and premium themes that are available for download. Each theme offers different features and aesthetics, so take your time exploring the choices if this route interests you. If you're more of a do-it-yourself person, you'll appreciate the second option, which allows you to add a theme by uploading a zip file. This is ideal if you have a theme already developed or purchased from a third-party provider outside of the Shopify ecosystem. Lastly, for those who are tech-savvy or working in collaboration with a developer, there's an option to connect themes directly from GitHub. This dynamic way of integrating themes can be very powerful if you're comfortable working with Git repositories and looking for ways to sync ongoing theme development. Now, if you scroll down a little within the themes section, you'll find a variety of free themes to explore. These options are great for those new to Shopify or those looking to benefit from clean designs without additional costs. Each free theme can be added to your theme library with just a click. Simply hit the Add button for any theme you like, and it will immediately be included in your library, ready to be customized and activated to make your store stand out. And there you have it. Selecting and adding a theme on Shopify is easy and can be a fun way to express your brand's personality. Whether you choose an option from Shopify's own theme store or upload one from your files, the key is to select a theme that best represents your business vision and speaks to your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy theme hunting.